What did you get?
Options. Every time I kill a boss, it drops 2 items, of which I can only pick up 1, but they're 2 different items.
Why did you just blow that guy up?
Because sometimes he contains coins. And also he's a corpse.
Your score is gradually going down.
Yes, it is. Because speed is also a factor in determining your score. But I don't really care about my score, I just care about completing the run. Because this is a challenge run and I get things. Ow. Ow.
Is your score important for anything besides, like, leaderboards?
Absolutely not.
There isn't, like, anything you can unlock if you,
As far as I know, there isn't. Let's try up here. There we go. Thanks, game. Thanks, a bundle. Jeez. At least I can blow him up for coins. Good job, game. I definitely needed that battery. I know how to navigate rooms. Try this drawer. Perfect. What's in here? Health! That was actually a really good time for that.
that shows some health.
That was the room I was talking about the last time when I said at least it's not batteries. Because I had full health at the time, and so didn't need them. Oh, hi, Mom. It's nice to see you. That hurt my soul. Ow. I always hated this. Won't die.
I was watching your stream while I was waiting for that Eldritch Guardian to spawn, and I sort of got attacked by a zombie. In the face.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to be standing around out in the open when you're near a place that Eldritch Guardian could be, because it will attack you, will shoot you, and you will die horribly.
Even if I'm wearing enchanted Thamium armor?
Yeah. Hits you with Wither.
Oh. Oh yeah, I remember that. That's not fun.
Yeah, don't get hit with Wither. You'll not have a good time.
See, I figured that I'd probably notice if there was some sign that the Eldritch Guardian had appeared, because, like, how he always sort of makes it foggy and stuff.
I might die. That would be unfortunate.
Oh no. Unfortunate moment. Did you die?
Yeah.
Well, I'll see it in like 5 seconds. Ouch, you got stopped.
Dun.
And now, for one of the other silly sorts of challenges, have a heart.
Have a heart.
I'm gonna wait for it to catch up. But I am also going to say that I'll go back to the 5-day challenge at some other point in time.
That sure is a heart.
And 11 empty heart containers.
Yes.
Oh, good. This run has item rooms. That's good. I need those.
So what's the challenge of?
I'm gonna look this one up too. Just I want to make sure I have it right.
You start with 1 heart, probably?
Well, it's more than that. I do start with 1 heart. I also start with 12 total heart containers. Red heart drops are replaced with pennies.
Oh.
So I have to figure out some other way to gain your health.
Any and all HP up items do not fill HP.
So wait.
You start with Charm of the Vampire.
Ah.
What does Charm of the Vampire do?
You get health on your kills.
For every 13 enemies, you restore half of a red heart.
Ah. So it's all about killing stuff without getting hit.
Like, pretty much any other run.
Let's see. But the main gimmick is that you start with a full 12 heart container, so you can't pick up soul hearts.
Oh.
Or Eternal Hearts.
Or Eternal Hearts,
any hearts.
Or Black Hearts. You know what? That's not a good item to start with.
Or candy hearts.
I forgot what this item is.
Shut up.
Ooh, Holy Shield. Holy Shield is going to be nice for this particular challenge run.
Hey, you should go through the spiked door.
No.
You're a monster.
Terrible person.
What does the Holy Shield thing do?
Actually, I have the Holy Shield. Why would I care about the spiked doors?
Are you a wizard?
So the spiked door, the Holy Shield, blocks the first point of damage you take, or the first hit of damage you take, I should say, in any room. So the spiked door doesn't matter to me because I block the damage from the with the Holy Mantle, and then when I enter the room, the Holy Mantle recharges. The Are You a Wizard?
That's pretty great.
The Are You a Wizard pill is not a fun pill, by the way.
What does it do?
It causes your shots to alternate between diagonal left and diagonal right from the direction you're shooting for a limited period of time.
Uh-huh.
It would be it's perfectly fine if it was like permanent, but the problem is that you have to try and get used to shooting at a diagonal, and then it'll randomly re-straighten your shots. Okay.
If it was permanent, that sounds like it'd be horrible because then it'd be forever.
Well, you'd be able to get used to it. Is the thing. And shooting diagonal can help with some enemies because some enemies shoot in the cardinal directions, all four at once. So if you shoot diagonal to them, you can stay out of their line of fire while still constantly firing at them.
One of those rocks has a bomb in it.
Yes, it does. I'm going to blow up the more slightly bluish rock here, though. Had a bomb and a soul heart that I can't get. Why did I blow up that rock? I knew it was going to be soul hearts that I couldn't pick up. I'm an idiot.
that type of rock always has a soul heart in it?
At least one. Sometimes it spawns a soul heart and a bomb, just to give you a refund, and sometimes it spawns 2 soul hearts, but not a bomb. Oh good, Larry Jr.
Okay. Larry Jr. is a good guy.
Nah. There are a couple items that still give full heals, but for the most part, a lot of items that would heal you either don't work or just drop coins instead. That's what this run is about. Did you want hearts? Have money. Ow!
Don't die.
Don't worry. I'm only taking half-hearted damage this time. There we go. So you see how this item? Normally it heals. It gives you more HP. It doesn't. That was a terrible drop. In fact, that was such a terrible drop. I'm going to reset the run.
And it could at least give you a little bit of life.
A bean. Good job, me. I did it.
Sorry, I saw the what I was laughing at is I saw the
You saw me die.
I saw the run where there was a room an item room with a spike in it.
And I thought, oh, I know what I'll do. I'll avoid it by trying to go around the spike. No. No.
So you shoot tear beams now?
I don't even shoot lasers. I just shoot like 4 or 5 shots at once. But only once I release the fire button. It's weird. Yeah. I mean, it's... I don't know. It is interesting, to say the least.
It seems reasonably effective.
Oh jeez. Oh jeez, which one? Ah, this one. Yeah, also this one? Okay. They both did the same thing. I need to shove them together. And then I need to bomb them both. There we go. And a bomb, and a bomb, and a key, and a coin.
Bomb and a bomb and a key.
They ready to get the hang of finding the secret rooms. Oh good! This jerk! Yeah.
Skip through the versus screen. What's the name of this guy?
I've already forgotten. Littlehorn? I want to say Littlehorn. The point is, he's a jerk.
Is he the one who summons holes that
Yes.
you can fall down?
He also summons holes to throw troll bombs directly at your soul,